Hey guys, and welcome to my super quick clean with me video today. I usually make longer cleaning videos on my channel, so this was a first for me. And my idea for this video was just to show you if I'm gonna leave a little bit later and I just want to quickly clean up the house, what I do. Actually, we had a family party to go to later today, so I was just quickly cleaning up before we left because I really hate coming home to a dirty house. Make sure you're subscribed for usually twice weekly cleaning motivation. I've also been doing a bunch of organization on my channel lately. And if you like these shorter clean with me videos, let me know in the comments because it was super easy to film and edit, so I would totally be willing to do more of these quick videos. And before we get any further into this video, I just want to quickly introduce myself to anybody who's new. My name is Bella, and I am the stay-at-home mom to my sweet little 11-month-old baby girl Kennedy, and I love everything homemaking. I started my channel because this is a really big passion of mine, and I love to share it with everybody here. As you can see, I was kind of being a perfectionist with my bed this morning. It wasn't turning out the way I wanted it to, and I was getting kind of frustrated, but it's good enough. We're just running out, and we'll be back soon anyway, and then we'll unmake it because we'll probably get home pretty late. So now I'm putting on the pillows, and after this I'm gonna move on to just tidying up the room. I want to thank every single person who's watching this video today, and of course everybody who has subscribed to this channel. We're building an amazing community. I'm making so many friends, and I'm so grateful for every single one of you. I've absolutely loved sharing my life and my home with everybody I've met here. You've all been so supportive and so kind to us, especially with our engagement lately. Everybody's been wishing us so well, and I am just so appreciative. Now I'm making Kennedy's bed. I usually like to make her bed when she's not in it, because I just feel so much more productive when I walk in and her nursery looks clean and organized. But now we're moving into the living room, and things weren't too bad in here. I just wanted to get the cat hair off the couch and then spray it down with some of my fabric sanitizer.
Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
When I got to the last part of the couch, I was on my last sticky roll, so what I did was just stamp it on to try to get some of the cat hair off, basically just spot cleaning it. Now moving into the kitchen, I had bottles to wash, and if you're a pumping mom or a formula feeding mom, you know the struggle of having all these bottles sitting by the sink all the time, so I just wanted to take care of them before I left so that I wouldn't have to when I got home.
Sit beside you while you're going on about your
For all my bottle feeding moms out there, what do you use to clean your bottles? I have always used Dawn dish soap and a bottle brush, and I was told by a nurse at the hospital that was completely fine, but I know that some people swear by the bottle sterilizer. Please let me know in the comments because I'm genuinely really curious.
with these humble, lacking, everlasting
if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I spray pretty much any and every fabric with my Tide disinfectant spray. That's just how I feel that it's the most clean. And the last thing I'm gonna do is just walk around the house and vacuum up any crumbs. I usually like to vacuum twice a day. Let me know in the comments how many times you tend to vacuum. Is it every day? Is it every other day? I know that twice a day is kind of excessive, but that's just what I like to do. But let me know what you like to do.
With these humble and everlasting.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me today as I just quickly cleaned up my house, just did the bare minimum, the basics, just to get it good enough, and I really appreciate everybody who's watched. Again, let me know in the comments if you like these shorter clean with me videos. I'll of course keep doing the longer, deeper cleans too, but sometimes it's just good to have that quick motivation, just get it done, just get what needs to be done. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment if there's anything that you would like to see on my channel. My comments are always open and I'm always reading every single comment, and I really want to give you content that you want to see as well. Make sure you're subscribed and you have all of your notifications turned on. There's a ton of videos that I'm so excited that are coming up on my channel. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys.
There's no going back to your own.